Hello everyone, myself Ncert Kalita from Jorhat Medical College. Today we are going to start with chapter 4, Kingdom Animalia or Animal Kingdom. Now in today's class we will finish up to levels of organization and basis of classification. First, coming to the basis of classification, here the very important MCQ, they might ask you about the what are the basic characters of classification. These are the arrangement of cells, body symmetry, nature of coelom, patterns of digestive and circulatory and reproductive systems. These are the basis, and they might remove some of them and might ask you which one is the basis. Now, level of organization, first cellular level. In this level of organization, the very important MCQ can be like they will give you which of the following organisms exhibit cellular level of organization, which of the following organisms show tissue level of organization, like that. And for the definitions sake, it is important for your board examination. Like in sponges, cellular level of organization is seen like in tissue level of organization, coelenterate shows tissue level of organization, as well as a still higher level of organization organ level is exhibited by many members of the platyhelminthes. So you have to remember like that. And annelids, arthropods, mollusks, etc., echinoderms, etc. exhibit organ system level. This might ask you in as an MCQ that which organism belongs to which organ system level or organ level or tissue level. Now, a very important question like open type of circulatory system and closed type of circulatory system. This you will get in next successive classes. We will study, but you have to remember which one is the open type of circulatory system and which one is the closed type of the circulatory system. Must having MCQ like about the symmetry. Here you can see about two examples. These questions have been asked previously about the radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. So they will give you the picture as it is, and they will ask you whether this image shows a bilateral symmetry or radial symmetry. So you have to be very, very clear. Now sponges are asymmetric. They might ask you also they might ask you about the organization, and they will ask you whether it is asymmetric or symmetric or radial symmetric or bilaterally symmetric. Now for image based question, one more question is important here and have been asked many times about the germinal layers. So you will see here it is so diploblastic, that is ectoderm, endoderm, and in between mesoglia is present, but in triploblastic, ectoderm, endoderm, and in between mesoderm is present. So in next videos you will get about the various organs developing from ectoderm, developing from endoderm, developing from mesoderm also. Now coming to the diploblastic and triploblastic organization, animals in which the cells are arranged in embryonic layers, the external ectoderm and endoderm are called diploblastic. Now in coelenterate you will find this, and likewise I said they will give you an example and they will ask you whether this organism shows diploblastic level of organization or triploblastic level of organization. Likewise you can see here for image based question about the coelom. Coelom means a cavity, but diagrammatic view you can see like coelomate, pseudocoelomate, and acoelomate. Here coelomate, this is a pseudocoelom, and this is a coelomate. So you have to be very, very clear about the definitions and which organism shows which level of coelom, or coelomate, pseudocoelomate, or acoelomate. Now the body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called coelom. Here you can see the mesoderm lines the body cavity, so it is a coelomate organism. And annelids, mollusks, arthropods, echinoderms, hemichordates, chordates exhibits coelom, and they are called coelomates. Now for pseudocoelomates you will see mesoderm is clustered here, so such a body cavity is called pseudocoelom, and animals possessing the pseudocoelomates, example Aschelminthes, exhibits pseudocoelom. They might give you the example and might ask you which level of coelom. Now in acoelomates, platyhelminthes, so acoelomate organization level. Now for segmentation, metamerism, you will get this term in next videos. Metamerism exhibits by the earthworms. That is the serial repetition of the segments, and internally and externally, both internally and externally. You have to remember this word, because if only externally present, that is not called metamorphism, or if internally only present, that is not called metamorphism. Both of these have to be present to be called as metamorphism. Now notochord is a mesodermally developed rod-like structure formed dorsal side of during embryonic development in some animals. You have to remember this term about notochord. These are mesodermally developed rod-like structure and from dorsal side. These three terms have been asked as an MCQ many times, and you have to remember this. From peripheral to echinoderm, they do not have any notochords. Hence they are called non-chordates. Now classification of animals. Here a chart is given, and in this chart you will find all we have discussed in this video. Likewise, about the level of organization, which organisms are cellular level, and cellular level mostly asymmetric, body cavity acylomates, and this belongs to peripheral. This chart makes your study very easy, so you can go through this chart, and in next successive videos you can relate this chart with other videos also, and it will make your work easy. Now tissue level of organization, radial and bilateral they have given. For radial level of symmetry, acylomates, cylinderates and ctenophores, and bilateral they have in bilateral symmetry you will get acylomates, pseudocylomates and coelomates, and which of the organization you will get. So you have to remember this. Thank you.